Hello and welcome to Dashboards 101, Navigating Dashboards. When you click on a link to open a dashboard, you will usually land on this homepage. The homepage has the information about the name of the dashboard, what this dashboard is about, what is included, and what kind of questions can be answered using this dashboard, as well as a brief description of the pages and navigation buttons below those pages. Below that, you will see the last time the data was updated, and on the right-hand side, there is a clickable link that will allow you to provide your feedback about this or any other dashboards. If you use the navigation buttons, clicking on demographics will take you to the demographics page. Now, you can, after you've done your research, you can come back to the homepage by using either Los Angeles Mission College logo in the top left corner or home button in the top right corner. Using either of those buttons will take you to the home page. The other way to navigate the dashboard is to use the jump at the bottom middle page of the screen. If you see there's in the bottom, it says 1 out of 6. That says that we are on a page 1 out of 6 available in this dashboard. Clicking on this text will show us the list of pages available, and we can jump directly to any page that we want. And we can do the same coming back to any other page without going through the home page. The other way to navigate is to use left and right arrows that will take us to the previous or next pages. We can come back to home page using those arrows. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy navigating dashboards with me.